गुड मॉर्निंग, नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो। माई सेल्फ जेवियन ज्योति कुमावत, फैकल्टी ऑफ एजुकेशन एंड मैथोलॉजी. Students, today I am going to deliver the lecture on characteristics of an excellent biology teacher, which is from the course Pedagogy of Biological Science for the program BSc BA ZBC 5th semester. So students, we learned that you always learn from gifted teachers who are knowledgeable and caring. They need instructors who present information in a clear and organized manner and who have the ability to explain things in alternative ways that reach students with various learning styles. So biology teachers need characteristics that are common to all good teachers, but in addition they need additional qualities specific to their chosen subject area. And according to the report of Secondary Education Commission, the most important factor in the complemented educational reconstruction is the teacher. His personal qualities, his educational qualification, his professional training, and the place that occupies in the school as well as in the community. So here are some characteristics for an excellent teacher. The teacher always have some qualities like: first, teacher will organize concept in conceptual concise fashion. He exhibits inquiring behavior typical of scientist. In treat students with respect and designs curricula to meet the needs of all students regardless of level of instruction. Relate subject matter to students' life, explaining how they are an integral part of the entire ecosystem. Now, here are some teaching techniques which are preferred by the excellent teacher, like teaches students how to learn, analyze and think critically, emphasizing good scientific methodology and problem solving skills. He always prepare lessons that will enhance problem solving ability. To illustrate concept, a teacher uses a variety of approaches to assist the learning process, such as lecture, discussion, laboratory demonstration, field trip, guest speaker, student presentation, film and slide shows. He always keep up to date in the subject matter, maintain competence in the life science field, teaches useful lab techniques and lab safety, and he also stresses the fragility of life on the planet and the importance of the maintaining well managed ecosystem. Now, and for the excellent teacher, there is a good teaching environment should be there, and so in regarding this, he create an existing room atmosphere within many living things as possible to enhance learning. He acquire the up to date equipment for laboratory work, should join committees to improve the school department. He should generate new and existing exciting idea for students to think about. He should always encourage students to ask questions about the lesson. The teachers always should maintain a safe and clean classroom laboratory also, and he know how to administer first aid in case of accident. Now, there are some professional development qualities he also should have, like continuity update knowledge by reading the literature, attending conference, convention, workshop and seminars, taking college or in service courses, visiting local laboratories, nature reserves, becomes active in professional organization and encourage colleagues to join as well. He always seek grant support to purchase equipment, to organize or attend meetings or conferences, and to fund special educational projects. So these are some qualities that always a teacher possesses. Now here are some individual qualities of a biology teacher according to the Kothari Commission of all factors which determine the quality of education and its contribution to national development. A teacher is undoubtedly the most important. It is on his personal qualities and characteristics that are first personal quality. Following individual qualities are essential in a good biology teacher. First is teacher personality. Every teacher must have a good personality. His personality influences directly or indirectly to the student. It means he should have good physical and mental health, impressive personal appearance, pleasant manner, industry drive, initiative, open mindedness, etc. Second, good health. A teacher should be physically and mentally healthy. He should have a sound physical health. He should be free from physical defects. He can maintain emotional stability. Third, self-confidence. A biology teacher should necessarily have self-confidence. Lack to self-confidence makes a teacher emotionally imbalanced and it causes bad influence on the children. Next is interest in biology. Biology teacher should have command over subject matter. It is possible when he has interest in biology. Without interest, he cannot teach efficiently. Next come as a patience and tolerance. Due to the individual differences, some students understand the subject matter very easily, but some are unable to understand the subject matter. So when students are unable to understand, teacher should not lose his patience. Instead, he should use various teaching techniques to get success in teaching and learning. Now 6, democratic. A teacher must be just and fair minded. He should treat all the students alike and should not favor on the basis of caste, beauty or intelligence. Now there are some professional qualities of a teacher like knowledge of subject, scientific attitude, knowledge of application, knowledge of individual differences, that also contain knowledge of different teaching methods like laboratory, lecture cum demonstration method, project method, analysis, synthesis. Next, professional growth and development. Teacher should make definite provisions for his own professional growth and development. He tried to attend some conference, seminar time to time and be updated from these. Teachers' academic achievements. A biology teacher should possess knowledge of the fundamental of the subject he teaches. He should have sound academic and cultural background. A teacher must have the required professional training also. Next, interest in research work. A teacher should have the ability to action research. With the help of action research, he could know the technique to make the class effective. Now, he also possesses some social qualities like leading capacity, social feeling and impartial behavior. Teacher leadership quality is totally based upon his character and personality. If a teacher is sound in character and personality, he can inspire the student to participate in different activities in a group. Social feeling. A teacher should have social feeling like cooperation, teamwork, positive attitude, courage and habit to accept his weakness. These social traits help him to understand the behavior of students in the classroom or outside of the classroom. Impartial means a teacher's behavior should be impartial with all the students. He should make no difference between